I wanted to film a get ready with me while I sing, but my throat is so swollen that I can't swallow my own saliva. So I couldn't do that today. Yay, we love a good sinus infection.
Came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the cop. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like.
Hi friends, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. And today we're gonna do this makeup look. What's up, y'all? I'm irritated. I'm in a bad mood and I feel like crying a little bit, but I'm just gonna film anyway. Let's just jump right into it. I'm starting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and if you notice that I sound like I'm dying, it's because I am. I have a really bad sinus infection, and anybody that's ever had a sinus infection, you're probably running to the comments to call me stupid right now, because you know how bad it hurts to touch your face when you have a sinus infection. And I'm like about to put on a full face of like really heavy makeup when it hurts to even tap my face. However, videos aren't gonna film themselves. They're not gonna film themselves. I'm out of breath sitting down. Boy, do I have a lot to say today. I've spoken to you guys before about how Maryland is stupid and you have to go through like the most tedious process ever before you can get your license. So I did my first behind the wheel. Wait, let me back it all the way up for y'all. So I went to driving school. You have to do 60 hours of a class, like in a classroom setting, and 6 hours behind the wheel. And my driving school freaking shut down. They went out of business. So I had to schedule my 6 hours behind the wheel somewhere else. So I do that. And that was $235 because apparently I'm Bill Gates and I can just afford to throw money everywhere. What's funny is that when I'm online shopping 5 times a week, I'm not complaining about my total being like $300, and I paid $235 to get my license, and I'm like, ugh, this is a scam. But yeah, what was I even talking about? Oh yeah, I did my first behind the wheel course today, and the availability with driving schools here in Maryland for the behind the wheel courses suck. And I was lucky enough to find a place that can do behind the wheel for me today, tomorrow, and next Thursday, which means I'll be done in a week. However, the lady says to me after I park, you passed today, but tomorrow's all about parking. So if you don't go home and practice parking tonight, you're gonna fail tomorrow. So you might want to do that. And I was like, fun. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my brows and prime my lid. But yeah, so now I'm too much concealer came out. But yeah, so now I'm waiting for my stepdad to get home because he's gonna go out and help me practice parking. And he has a CDL, so it's literally his job to be a good driver. And if I don't pass tomorrow, I'm gonna say screw it and not get my license. I wish I could just say, you know what, forget it and not get my license, but I can't do that. As you guys know, or maybe not, because there's like nobody that really follows me. You probably just stumbled across this video. I'm engaged and my fiance's in the military. His ranking is not high enough to permit him to own a car. So I'm gonna have to be the one legally transporting us everywhere. So I need to hurry up and get that done because we will be moving within the next like 2 months. I'm irritated about it. Before anyone goes, you should have done this earlier. You're about to be 19. Why don't you have your license? I was working, going to school, and living in 3 different counties. Yes, literally 3 different counties. And so it was nowhere for me to do it and no time for me to do it. So shut up. I don't know about these brows. I don't know. At this point, I don't think I even know how to do makeup. I don't know how to do anything. I don't know how to park. I don't know how to do my eyebrows. I'm setting the prime with the LA Girl Pro Powder because this is my favorite powder when I can open it. I wanted to film a get ready with me while I sing, but my throat is so swollen that I can't swallow my own saliva. So I couldn't do that today. Yay, we love a good sinus infection. My brows are kind of nice like this. I never really do them like this, but I think I like it. Famine, natural disaster. My baby has been around for me. I don't sound as good because I'm sick. However, my voice really is that low. I'm call me Beyonce. I am like the lowest octave. Now let's get into this eye look that's gonna be more dramatic than what it should be. Do you know where I'm going, guys? Literally nowhere. I'm not going anywhere, and I'm doing this eye look. All right, so just follow, but it's gonna be kind of weird. I'm gonna take, let me just really think about what I want to do. Yep, that's what I want to do. Okay, so I'm gonna take this orange and start building it up in my crease. I'm using new blending brushes, so this is kind of gonna be like really good. Wait, these say they heard of me. I ain't heard of you. Get the out my face for I'll murder you. Let me pause my music. All right, I'm going in with this. I can't see. I'm going in with this red orange right there. That's that color in kindergarten where you get into an argument over because you're like, it's red and the other person's like, no, it's orange. You're like, no, you're just stupid. I'm going into that color and I'm gonna put it on the outer crease area. Right now this look is looking fire. You get it? Because it's fire colors. And like fire meaning like it's good. It's looking fire. Now we're gonna really blend out those edges, guys. We're gonna really Bob Ross up those edges. We're gonna finesse it. Did you guys just see that gnat fly past my camera? I'm disgusted. Really feather that edge out, guys. Ain't no rough edges around here. We're as smooth as a circle. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the scariest part of every cut crease look, the cut crease. Things could go really good right now, or things could go really bad. I'm not gonna talk at all during this part because I don't want to ruin my eyes. And that's gonna be hard for me, but you have to make sacrifices if you want to have good makeup. Yep, if you want your makeup to look good, you have to just forget all your friends, all your family, quit your day job, and just really focus on secluding yourself from the normal world and practicing your cut creases. Okay, my cut creases are finished. I can't talk. They're finished. They're pretty much dried, and they're the best that they're gonna be. And I'm okay with that. When I do this, I look like Ziggy from Lazy Town. Do you guys remember him? Do you guys remember that show? Am I old? Now we're gonna go into the mother flipping star of the show. I'm gonna go into this ocean blue. This better turn out good because I'm running on E today. I've had too much bad news already. I'm already like not gonna get my license for the next 4 years. And now we're gonna really go off. We're going to take our blue glitter and just, you know, ball out. The face we're gonna skip through because sometimes watching face makeup is boring. Like after this extravagantness going on my eyes, it's like, what can I possibly do when my face is gonna excite you? Exactly. All right, real quick, I'm gonna go back to the eyes because I think it could be prettier. I'm gonna take this dark purple and put that on the outer V because I feel like things are gonna get real cute when I do that. And if I ruin the look, then I'm doing things in a weird order, but I didn't forget about highlight. And I'm still not forgetting about my lashes, so shut up. If nothing else, I got out of this a good Instagram picture. Because I already know I'm about to flick it up.
On this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get rest to go outside and I spit it.
Now the look is done. I'm officially a beauty vlogger, a beauty influencer, a YouTuber, if you will. I just won this whole YouTube makeup thing with this look. And if this video doesn't do numbers, then YouTube's algorithm is rigged. We've been through that though. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching this train wreck. If you want to see more videos, then leave me a like and a comment down below. And subscribe to my channel, because I have more videos like this coming and more videos not like this, because I'm very versatile. And yes, I am staring at myself while I do the outro. I will see you guys in the next video.
Cooking souls.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get rest to go outside and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since